Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to learn about the grid row. So the grid row will talk about how many rows you want to occupy, and it follows the same format as the grid column, where there's the amount of lines of takes in two parameters of the first one is where you want to start at, and the second one is where you want to end at. So for this exercise, it wants to make the element item 5 consume the last two rows. So item 5 is here. We can see it in the HTML. So we need this property. Okay, and let's see what we want to start at. So we want these are the last two rows here. So we want this is 1 and this is 2. So we want to start at 2. And then it ends at 3 right now. And now we want to cover 2 of them. So we go to 4. So 2/4. And now we can see it covers the last two rows as well. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.